a perfect blend of Mexican flavors with a touch of sweet and spice. This Mexican chili corn soup is just irresistibly delicious and very quick to prepare. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican chili corn soup. So for that, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, once the oil is hot, add 2 cloves of garlic, now add 1 medium-sized onion, now add 3 to 4 slices of green chilies, the onions are now browning, so add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, now I'm going to add 1 tin of cream of corn. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water, 1 vegetable stock cube, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a few chili flakes, and finally 1 teaspoon of Mexican seasoning. Is now ready. I'm going to switch off the gas and allow it to cool for about 10 minutes before I can blend it. The soup mix has slightly cooled down, so I'm going to pour this into my blender. It's blended to a fine smooth mix. I'm now going to pass it through a sieve. I'm going to now reheat the soup. The soup is now hot. Switch off the gas. Bring the pot down. Now let's plate the soup. Now top it with some sweet corn. And finally sprinkle some chopped parsley. Mexican chili corn soup is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.